Welcome to our educational series on physics. Today, we are going to explore two fundamental concepts in motion: distance and displacement. These concepts are crucial for understanding how objects move. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about distance. Distance is the total length of the path traveled by an object, regardless of its direction. It's a scalar quantity, which means it only has magnitude and no direction. SI units of distance are meter, m. Bigger units are kilometer, km. Smaller units are centimeter, cm. The device on automobiles which is used to observe distance is called an odometer. Imagine a car traveling along a winding road. The distance covered by the car is the actual length of the road it travels. Even if the car changes direction multiple times, we simply add up the lengths of all the segments to get the total distance. Now, let's introduce displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final positions of an object, along with the direction. It's a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. In our car example, the displacement would be a straight line from the starting point to the end point, regardless of the path taken. This line represents the shortest distance between the 2 points. To better understand the difference between distance and displacement, let's consider an example. Suppose a person walks from point A to point B, covering a distance of 5 meters, and then from point B to point C, covering another 3 meters. The total distance traveled is 8 meters. However, if point C is directly 6 meters from point A, the displacement is 6 meters in the direction from A to C. Let's summarize the key differences between distance and displacement. Distance is the total path length traveled, while displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final positions. Distance is a scalar quantity, meaning it has only magnitude, whereas displacement is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. Distance is always positive, but displacement can be positive, negative, or even zero. Distance is path dependent, whereas displacement is path independent. Now, let's look at some real-life examples to solidify our understanding. Consider a runner on a 400-meter track. If the runner completes one full lap, the distance covered is 400 meters. However, the displacement is zero because the runner ends up at the starting point. Another example is a person walking in a straight line from their home to a park 2 kilometers away. The distance and displacement are both 2 kilometers in this case. I hope these examples help clarify the concepts of distance and displacement. Remember, distance is the total path length, while displacement is the shortest path between 2 points with direction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. See you.